don't condone any hijinks as you're leaving the cruise in. So they do a pretty good job policing, I think. Had a nice time, nice sunny morning. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a great Saturday.